video, I'm going to teach you how to measure your head for your custom wig. So first we're going to start with your wig kit. I do send these complimentary with every custom wig purchase. So it has everything that you need inside of it. So first you're going to open up this little baggie. Inside you're going to find your stocking cap. This is just going to protect your hair. Your hair needs to be braided down. I do have a video that I'll link below that tells you exactly how to have your hair. You do not need to just put your hair in a ponytail. Your hair needs to be in the same way that you're going to be wearing your wig underneath, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our shower cap. And the shower cap is going to go over your ears and down on the forehead. So over accentuate the wig cap. We're gonna grab our tape. So what I like to do before I begin this molding, making my mold, I like to actually have two 2-foot sections of tape and then about 6 1-foot sections of tape. It just makes it a little bit easier for me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 2-foot section of tape at the nape of the neck and go all the way around, going over the ears. Make sure it's nice and snug. Now we're going to take another 2-foot section of tape and go over the top of the head. And it is okay if you're over your hairline because you actually want it to be like that. But so one at the back, one at the front. It's very important that you do it the way that I said to do it because otherwise it's going to be a mess. So now we're going to grab another piece of tape and we're going to go from the back and just start working our way up. So this piece of tape is just going to go over the original piece of tape, but it's going to overlap slightly, but go over it, if that makes sense. So basically, it's like one piece of tape, another piece of tape, another piece of tape, another piece of tape. We're just going to continue going upwards on our hair, making sure to keep the tape nice and taut. Okay. So once you get to about your mid-head, to the crown of your head, middle, crown, whatever you want to call it, we're going to start here on the front. Basically, any place that there is shower cap, we just want to be sure to cover with tape. This is best if you do it in front of a mirror. I do have a mirror in front of me, but I've done it so many times that I can do it by feel. If you have someone to help you do this, this is also good to do with a partner. However, you can do it by yourself if you need to. So now everything is completely covered. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your marker and you're going to outline your hairline. So you can just do strokes, whatever is easier for you. Be sure to get that ear and be sure that wherever you have hair, that there is tape there, because that's going to make your mold really good. If you have low sideburns, I need you to send me an email and let me know that too. So whenever I say low sideburns, if you have hair that goes all the way down here, I need to know that, because for a glueless method, it's just different, okay? So that's it. For the back, if you have somebody to help you with the back, you can. If not, you can just feel your way through it. So that is going to be it as far as your head mold goes. So now you can actually be able to take this bad boy off, and voila. Your head, on the lip of your envelope, you're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on it for me. Your kit inside right here is going to come with a paper measuring tape. I'm just going to use my plastic one. So for the first one, we're going to do the circumference. So you're going to start at the middle of your head and go all the way around like so. Wherever the measuring tape stops, that's what you're going to put down for number 1. For number 2, you're going to do the front to nape. So wherever your hairline starts, you're going to begin with measuring tape and then take it all the way back. And wherever that number stops, minus 14, that's what you're going to write down. Next, we're going to get our temple to temple measurement. So you're going to do right here to right here. So wherever the measuring tape starts and stops, Mine is at 17, so that's what I'm going to write down. And then next we're going to do your left ear to your right ear. So just put the measuring tape where the hairline starts, going across the forehead, and then wherever it ends. So mine is at 11.5, so that's what I'm going to write down. And last but not least, the nape. I'm just going to fill where my hairline begins and where it ends. If you have somebody to help you do this, that's great. Mine is at 5, so that's what I'm going to write down. So that's all that you need for your measurements. If you have somebody to help you, that's great. If not, no worries. And I've already got mine written down right here in the inside of my lip. So now you're just going to seal that up, pop it in your mailbox. It already has the postage on it. And I'll let you know once I have received it. And I can't wait to make your masterpiece. Please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you, beauties.